I just had the typewriter in front of me, desire to type, but nothing to say. I just started pressing the same keys and looking at the marks to try and make something visual rather than for making words. I started around 2003, 10 years ago. I just thought everybody must do this. But as I sort of became my art form and then trying to contextualise it at uni, I quickly discovered that nobody was doing it now. The little figures can be just a few seconds. And then something like the Hammersmith Bridge, I'd go down there and type in situ, so sort of 2-3 hours each time over 10 or 12 sessions like that. The last event I did was Monica Art Fair in London. For the first time I had an open typewriter, so they were just typing anything, and then I'd type the people. There's one. The skirt's got a jazzy pattern on it, and good shoes too. It's more like the essence of what you see rather than the detail, which I enjoy. If they move, you just get like the arm. They don't get a head. I find it really inspiring because of the reaction that it gets wherever I go. First of all, they think, what's she doing there with a typewriter? And then if they wander past, especially as the picture begins to build up, they can see that I'm not just typing words. And then they feel safe to start asking questions. You get people that, they're very sentimental about them, and they want to tell me about how their dad used to repair them. But for me, it's really like when the kids come along and they've never seen a typewriter before. So they're kind of like, what is it? This one's pretty good because it's A3. You can put A3 paper in it. I got that one in the car boot sale. I think it was about £2. This one is from a man called Elvir in Croatia. It's got all the accents and everything. About 35. For me, I'd like to use it as a tool for travelling as well. To use the typewriters with the different alphabets to communicate something without language. Those different palettes, the different marks. I think they're all going to outlive us, the typewriters. I don't think we're going to run out of them unless everybody just puts them in landfill or something.